back. With me I have a life coach, Tiffany. So a lot of people, they're in a job and they don't feel it as fulfilling, and they try to figure out what is my life purpose, and they want to change jobs, they want to, when people come like that to you, what do you say? I mean, how do you guide them in that kind of a situation?
Yeah, it's a big deal when you feel that you're spending 8 to 10 hours a day in a job that isn't fulfilling to you or enjoying, and you wonder what else is out there for you, or can you be making a bigger difference somewhere other than where you're at?
Yeah.
And I think that most people are pretty close to their purpose. They just need a few tweaks, like they may be in the wrong position on the bus.
Yeah.
So through the work that I do, I find the right position for them based on what their intrinsic skills are, not on the skills that they've learned or what they've been told they're good at, but what they genuinely are gifted at.
So how do you find your intrinsic skill?
It's what you love. It's always what you love. And you can go back and you can ask your parents, what was it that they really loved? So you go back and you ask Tiffany's parents, what was it that Tiffany loved? And you know what they'll say?
Yeah.
She loved to talk.
She loved to talk.
And analyze.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah, for most people, I mean, they seem to come so far away from who they are, so they have a hard time to really almost find what it is that they love within themselves, to find that life purpose.
It is, and that's a big part of the work that I do, is bringing people back to what it is they love, that feeling of happiness in any given moment. Go towards that happy feeling.
Yeah.
You can ask yourself in any given moment, what is it that I want, chocolate or vanilla? It's really easy.
Yeah.
So there's no judgment on what the happy is for each person, because we all know it's different for every single person.
But then when you find that happy feeling, that this is what makes me happy, and then to bring that into life, your work, or bring into your purpose, I mean, that is a skill in itself.
It is, because it goes against all the programs that we've been taught. We've been taught that we go to work and we put happiness on pause until we get off of work, and that's when we enjoy our happy.
Yeah. So there's a way then to actually enjoy your happy at work.
Yes, and in your relationships, and whatever your role is, you can enjoy happy as a mother, you can enjoy happy as whatever your career is. Happy is right there in the center of all of it, because we're here to be happy.
So what I like to, next episode, I like to talk about certain steps that people can take to find that happy in whatever relationship or work situation. So we'll talk about that next week.
Fantastic.
Beautiful. We'll be right back.